Texas, one of the fastest growing communities in America. Today we're going to be looking at a renovation project here in McKinney, and this is Gigley. She's my buyer's agent and also the lead decorator for our company, Luxe Staging and Decorating Co. So Jill, can you tell us a little bit about this property?
So it sits on a little under 5 acres, and the house was originally 1,800 square feet.
And we added about 1,300 square feet, making it a total of 3,031 square feet.
Yes.
One of the main challenges has been when you add on foundation to another foundation, we found that the original foundation was not square. And so when it's not square, that causes problems pretty much for everybody. We had to take 3 inches out of many different rooms, and obviously that was a little challenging. The other challenge was the water.
So the kitchen was here, and now it's going to be here.
Correct, and so we had to jackhammer the entire floor. This original foundation was post-tension, and they jackhammered over the top of the post-tension cable, so we learned all about how to fix a post-tension cable system and foundation.
Let's talk about this beautiful fireplace.
It is the mantle-less fireplace right now.
And it's supposed to have a mantle, right?
It is. So all of those stones are going to have to come out because you have to put a mantle in first so it's secure. And if you're not on top of it and you're not there every single day, things like that can happen.
So let's talk about the fun design stuff.
Yes, let's go take a look in the garage. I'll show you some fun little things that we're able to get started.
Check out this lamp, this pendant. 3 of these are gonna go above the island, and it's so unique.
And speaking of island, you wanna go take a look at the marble that we chose for that island?
Yes, it's gorgeous.
All right, let's go.
And here it is.
This is the
hello, ladies.
Marble. Hey, Jesus.
Anna.
It's so good
Hi,
to see you.
good to see you.
Good to see you.
So this is Jesus with Stonecutters.
Yes.
Thank
Pleasure.
you so much for meeting us today.
This is a hard marble, and most of these stones come from the mountains in Brazil. As you can see, it's a beautiful stone. Display colors beautifully all throughout. So this here is the flat or east edge, but the flat is going to be one of the most popular edges today. It's a very popular and beautiful way to display the stone.
Thank you so much for giving us a little lesson on stone. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure, Anna.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure, pleasure.
And the renovation project we're doing in about 6
yeah,
weeks.
it'll be amazing. Promise you'll love it.
So when you're doing a home renovation project, it's important to find places that have unique items that won't break the bank. And a couple years ago, I found this amazing store called Market at Fairview. We're gonna go in and talk to Brad, the owner, and he's gonna tell you a little bit about it. Tell me a little bit about the fact you've been in business for a while, but you've been at Dallas Market Center.
Yes, I had my own showroom. I was a manufacturer's rep for more than 25 years.
And that's the thing I love is I've gone to Dallas Market for years, and now I just hop in my car and come up here, and I don't have to drive all the way to Dallas, and it's like a huge sample sale.
For sure.
It's amazing. I think it's amazing that you're here, and thank you so much for being a part of my show.
You bet.
Living your American dream.
My pleasure.
Hello, welcome back.
We can't wait to show you the amazing transformation that this home has had.
One of my favorite things about this home is the amazing ceiling and this entryway. It's got shiplap on the ceiling, the beams, and the beautiful light pendants. In the kitchen, there is this awesome fireplace that is by the kitchen table, and it overlooks the Pella windows again out onto the property.
Remember remember seeing this
Yes,
amazing
love it.
stone at the stone shop.
Yeah, it's Brazilian.
Yes, it's from Brazil, and it sure looks fantastic in person.
So, you know, Hannah, we have a lot of buyers that want to buy a home in the country, but it doesn't quite meet up to their standards of what they're looking for.
I think everybody should be open to the possibilities. I mean, this home was 1,800 square feet when we started. It's over 3,100 square feet now. So I think if people can kind of think outside of the box when you're working with your realtor, it'll open up a whole lot of other opportunities and doors so that you can find really what you're looking for, or at least create it like we did. We hope that you've enjoyed watching this amazing transformation on this beautiful home, and we can't wait to see you next time.